You are spending hours designing pins, barely getting traffic, and wondering if Pinterest is even worth it anymore. What if I told you there's a way to schedule weeks of Pinterest content in minutes and actually grow your Etsy sales? Hi, I am Nancy and I help creators build passive income with Etsy and Pinterest. And today I'm going to show you how to do it with Tailwind. And here's the truth. Pinterest rewards consistency, but most of us can't keep up. And the real reason your Pinterest isn't growing is that you're treating it like Instagram, one post at a time. That doesn't work here. Now, Tailwind lets you batch and schedule dozens of optimized pins in one sitting using AI and drag and drop tools that make pinning almost fun. So let me show you how it works. Quick heads up, this video is sponsored by Tailwind, and I got early access to test their smart pin and pin scheduler tools. All opinions are on my own, and if you want to try it out for yourself, I have got a special link in the pinned comment. Use it to get 50 free AI credits when you sign up. Create pins from any URL. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my Etsy store and I'm going to pick a listing that I want to create a pin from. So I'm going to do a pin for this listing that I have. I'm going to go to the top browser up here and I'm going to copy that link. Then I'm going to head over to Tailwind and I'm going to click on Pin Scheduler, which is the first option where it has the little P. From there, you're going to go to the navigation bar and you're going to click on Generate Pin. And from here, it's going to ask you what is the URL of the page that you want to generate a pin from. You're going to go ahead and paste your Etsy URL. And from here, you're going to click on Generate Pinterest Pin. This is going to generate a Pinterest pin that is fully optimized, and it's going to save you so much time when it comes to your Pinterest game. From here, it's going to give you this little message that says, boom, now let's get scheduling. So it's already created. So if you go ahead and click on Schedule Pin on your right-hand side, it's going to open a new window. And here it is. It's going to have the image. It's going to have your pin title. It's going to have your pin description. It's going to have the URL. And then it's going to ask you, what boards do you want to save this pin to? So what I would do here is I would just go ahead and click on the drop down menu and I will pick the board that's more relevant for this particular product. So I'm going to put it on my MB Digital Printables, which is the name of my store. And from here, you're able to go ahead and click on this little clock, or you're able to schedule. So if you click on the clock, this is going to give you the option of setting up a date that you want this to launch. So maybe you don't want to publish it today, but maybe this is a new product and you're doing like a launch and you want to do it like on Monday. You could go ahead and schedule it out for that specific date. If not, you could just go ahead and click on schedule and it automatically is going to add it to your queue right here on the right hand side. And just give it a few seconds and you should be able to see it in this section here. But it's that simple. And this alone is going to save you so much time from having not to have to create your pin, nor have to add your titles, your descriptions, and everything else in between. So this is the first tip that I have for you. Bulk schedule with a visual calendar. So next, I use Tailwind's drag and drop calendar. I could schedule an entire month of content in about 10 minutes. And if you want a post to go out, let's say every Tuesday, done. If you want to bash out 30 pins for like your holiday sale, Tailwind handles that too. So let me walk you through the process of doing so. So the first thing you want to do is create your pins. And the second step is go ahead and click on Upload Pins and choose the pin or pins that you're working with. And this automatically is going to pull it into the Pinterest scheduler. Now from here, you're able to go ahead and drag and drop any additional images that you want by just clicking here. If you have all of them here already, or if you have one, go ahead and click on Create Pins. Now, with this setup, you will have to add your title, your description and the URL of that pin. So I have mine already saved for the purpose of this video. So I'm going to go ahead and add the title. I'm going to add the description. And then I'm going to go ahead and add the URL. Now from here, it's going to go ahead and prompt you to choose the board or boards that you want it on. Now, I particularly, whenever I create a pin, I choose more than 2-3 boards. So you could go in here if you have multiple boards, you could go ahead and select the boards that you want this particular pin to go into. So I might add it on make money for blogging. I might go back and see additional boards that are relevant to this particular type of content that I'm creating. So make money ideas and tips, that might be another board that I might include it. And then I will go down here and pick another one. Maybe frugal living is a real good one for this particular topic. So I have 3 boards. That means that I have created 3 pins already, which is pretty cool. Now from here, you're able to go ahead and change how often do you want this pin to be scheduled. You could click here and it will show you, do you want it to be weekly? Do you want it to be every 6 days? Do you want it to be one time a month? This is so cool because it lets you pin it without it looking like spam or showing up so many times. So I particularly like it in weekly. You could play around with it and see what settings work better for you. You could also, if you want, pick a certain time date. So if you want this to be published at a certain date, at a certain time, you could do that as well. So let's say that you didn't want to put it at a certain time slot. You do want to leave it weekly, but you don't want to schedule it from here. What you could do is go ahead and cancel. And all you're going to do is you're going to click on schedule. And this automatically is going to go ahead and add it right here to your smart schedule. So as you can see, it's saving it right now. And you will do this for every single pin that you have uploaded, and it will automatically schedule it out for you here. And this is going to save you so much time, especially when it comes to creating content. And like I said, creating content in bulk for months if you wanted to as well. All right, so this is where you're going to come in here and start uploading all of the pins. You're going to start editing and you're going to start bulk scheduling all of your content. Now, once you start scheduling them out, you're going to start seeing them show up right here on the right hand side, just like my content that you see right now. Now, they have a feature called Smart Scheduler, which I absolutely love. This feature already knows when your followers are most active on Pinterest, and that's because they have analyzed millions of posts. So this is going to recommend the best time slots where your audience is active, so your listings or your pins perform the best and then get the most engagement. So let me walk you through some of the settings. So you could shuffle your pins around by just clicking here. It will shuffle them around. It will keep intact any that you have locked or any specific days that you want certain pins to be published. Those won't be moved around. If you click on the settings bar, it's going to give you additional things that you could play around with, which I highly recommend you do. The first one is the most important one, the Smart Schedule settings. This is where you go to set up your settings. Now, I have mine set up already, so I'm not going to change mine. But if you click here, generate new Smart Scheduler, it's going to go ahead and let you do so. It's going to recommend average time slots 5 per day. And I would leave it like this with the recommendations and click on save, and it will go ahead and create one for you. The second thing that we're going to click on is fill in schedule. So this automatically is going to fill in any gaps that you might have in your schedule by shifting all of your unlocked pins up to the next available time slot. Highly recommend doing this. The next one that we're going to look at is unlock all pins. This is only if you want to go ahead and you have some pins that are unlocked, you want to unlock them all, then you click there. But if you want to keep them on a specific time and date, then don't do this. And then lastly, they have lock all pins, which is kind of like the opposite of what we just talked about. This is if you want to lock them in the dates that they're in. So this one I don't necessarily use at all. It's really optional to you if you want to use it. But this is how you're able to go ahead and schedule out so much content ahead of time. As you can see, I have mine all scheduled out, and you could do this within 10 minutes or less. Shop sync and browser extension. Now, Tailwind connects with Etsy, Shopify, WordPress, you name it. All you need to do is go ahead and download their extension. It looks like this one here, as you can see on my screen. And you could pretty much go to any website. Let's say you go to your Etsy store like I have here, and you're able to go ahead and click on the extension, and it's going to pull all of your products right into the platform, so you don't have to start from scratch. And you could just go ahead and from here grab the ones that you want to work with or add to your Pinterest. So for instance, if I wanted to go ahead and work with this one to create a pin, work with this one, maybe this one and this one, I could go ahead and grab only 4 images, go to scheduler, and it automatically is going to go ahead and upload those images for me, as you can see, like magic. Schedule months ahead. This is my favorite part, is set it and forget it. You could schedule as far ahead as you want. As you can see, I have mine scheduled for months at a time. Now, Tailwind saves me at least 20 hours a month, and that's like buying your time back for less than $1 an hour. But as you can see, I have mine already set up. I don't have to worry about it. And what I do is like I do it every 30 to 60 days. And it doesn't take me a lot of time to do it either. So you could definitely do it for months ahead, and it just be one less thing that you have to do. Here's what's changed for me after using Tailwind consistently. I stopped stressing about Pinterest. My pinning schedule stayed consistent without daily effort. I actually saw a real bump in Etsy traffic from pins I scheduled weeks earlier. It's beginner friendly, and even if you are tech averse, you will pick it up fast. So let me walk you through a campaign that I ran. I created 25 pins using Tailwind's Smart Pin tool. I scheduled them over 3 weeks and promoted my best-selling digital planner. Those pins alone drove 300 new clicks and helped me clear 500 in passive sales while I was working on other things. All because I took 15 minutes to schedule them in bulk. Want even better results? Here are 3 tips. Use Tailwind's brand kit to keep your pins consistent. It saves tons of time. Repurpose your top performing pins with new designs using Smart Pin. And add keyword Tailwind suggests to boost discoverability. The more consistently you post, the more Pinterest favors your account. So if you want to save hours, stay consistent, and finally see your pins bring traffic and sales, try Tailwind. Use my link in the pinned comment to get 50 free AI credits and start building your Pinterest strategy today. Make sure to watch this next video because I'm going to show you how to make the Pinterest algorithm love you, so don't miss it. And make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss what's next.